Welcome to Beerstories from Beerstory Brewhouse. This is an unboxing video with something I've been looking really forward to receiving. I don't do unboxing videos normally, but I'm so excited about this product because I think it's a game changer for homebrewers regarding barrel aging. I've been playing around with barrel aging or wood chips for many times, and it can taste good, but it's never great. It's never that barrel aged feeling you get from the good breweries. I played around with these. I played around with wood chips, oak chips, and so on. It's just never good. But this is a game changer, I think. This can make it just as good, and I'll explain that in another video why. So let's see what's in the box. If you've ever been to a whiskey distillery or something like that, it smells just like this. It smells beautiful. So these are hybrid barrels from Bad Motivator Legacy barrels. And it's an awesome product. It's gonna be a game changer for homebrewers, I think. For barrel aging. I've been playing around with barrel aging quite a lot. On small barrels with wooden staves, with cubes, with chips, and it's never good because the area where the beer meets the wood is way bigger per liter or per gallon in these small ones, and also with the cubes and so on. So you draw out way too many tannins, and it just gets this woody flavor. It's not barrel aged. I can tell right away that it's fake, that it's not real barrel aged. And this product is gonna change that because it's a steel steel barrel with a wooden barrel top. And that means the surface area will be basically the same as the big breweries have with a 400 liters or a 2-barrel barrel. Yeah, so you will get the right amount of tannins, you will get the right amount of flavor, you get that slow oxidation for a long barrel aged time. So it's going to be a game changer, I'm sure. There's a quick guide here on how to preserve it or how to store it if you have to store it. It's wet now, and I'm really glad that it's wet now, because if it dries out, you can get problems with it with leaks and stuff like that. So I'm really glad it's wet now. So I'm just gonna get started brewing. If you're interested in where you can buy these, there's a link down in the description. But otherwise, this is going to be awesome. Have a brewing out there.